shower each day, but I've even heard, shower once in the morning and shower once in the evening.
Right.
You know,
Yeah, what the thing is, in the Vedic thing, there is no such thing about how many times you should shower.
right.
And the whole point in all this is like weather, for example. Okay, if you're in a cold weather, like, it'll be different from when you're in a hot weather. Okay, how much water you use. Point is not to saturate your body with too much water, because it's electrically charged.
Right.
Your body's electrical system. Okay. So when you're dealing with water, you have to be careful, and especially when you're dealing with more dead water, because all of the water you're dealing with is not alive water.
Very true.
Okay, alive water comes from like streams and waterfalls and natural and rivers and ocean and like natural. That is like a lot of the stuff which you get from the tap is not exactly alive water. Okay. Right. So like you have to worry about your charge thing, and the point is that your hygiene is not dependent on these kind of things so much.
Right.
Your hygiene is dependent on like how disciplined you're with the body. For example, if you have a good diet, for example, okay, then you won't smell anyways, like right. So you don't have to take that many showers. But if you have a meat diet and things like that, then even if you take 10 showers, it's not enough.
It's so true.
Yeah. So like once you are eating, so again you'll see like how diet will affect that. Okay. Yeah. And the whole point is like not to overeat. Okay.
Right.
Okay. When you overeat, then other systems go awry and stuff like like then all these things, and then more of this cleaning will be required again. But because finally you are trying to reduce the cleaning to a minimum. Okay. Because you don't want to disturb the body so much. Okay.
Right.
Okay. You're trying to reduce all these things to a minimum. Okay. Point is not to take them to a maximum, right?
Right. Spend all day cleaning yourself.
Yeah. Okay. Point is to take them to a minimum. So like if you're controlling your diet, for example, okay, then you're centering. If you're centering and if you're doing this kind of thing, then your thoughts are already not bothering you so much. Okay. So then you have mental discipline. Then you have mental hygiene. But that'll reflect in your physical hygiene.